Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop. As you can see, we have our central machinery 8-inch benchtop drill press sitting here.
And if you want to see how we assembled this drill press and our first impressions of it, click here.
Today we're going to be building a new home for this drill press. Every benchtop drill press needs a bench to sit on.
Absolutely. We don't want to sit this in the floor and just like drag it up here onto this workbench every time we want to use it. So today, like he said, we are going to be building a bench specifically for this drill press. It won't take very much material. We've got 3 2x4s and we're going to cut a 24 by 24 inch piece of 3/4 inch plywood. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I said earlier we had 3 2x4s, and that is true. They're different sizes though. I don't know about you all, but when we go to the big box store to get wood, it is very, very difficult to find construction grade lumber that is very good to work with. So we've got one that is about 104 inches, and we've got a couple that are 96 inches. This project is going to take 288 linear inches of 2x4, and so we have to be really cautious and consider all the different cuts that we're going to need out of each board to minimize waste. We are going to be cutting 4 legs that are 31 inches long, and then our stringers, we're going to need 8 of those. 4 of them will be 19 inches, and 4 of them will be 22 inches. So let's get these cut out.
Now the next thing we're going to do is square off the edges of all these by running them through the table saw.
All right, before we begin assembling our bench, I'm just going to give all these pieces a light sanding. We've got some 120 grit on our sander. We're going to get rid of some of this roughness and the little wood tattoos all over everything. Just clean it up a little bit. And then when we're done with that, we will start assembly.
Now that all the pieces for our frame are cut and sanded, we're going to go ahead and assemble this before we cut the top. Well, if you can see that, the pilot bed on my countersink just broke. And now our top is cut to size. Let's go ahead and attach it to the frame.
We'll be using wood glue and 2.5-inch screws.
And now I'm going to use the drill press as a reference to mark out the holes that need to be drilled to bolt this to the top. And now we're going to attach some 2-inch swivel casters on the bottom of our drill press stand so we can move it around the shop. Alright, if you notice, these 2 screws are going to be going straight into this screw here that's holding the frame together. So I can't use the 2-inch screws there. So I found some various little, they may be 1 to 1 1/4 inch screws. We'll try to put those there and not hit this one.
Alright, right, there's just one thing left to do before we bolt our drill press in place, and that's just to give this a simple finish. We're going to use some Watco Danish oil. That's what we used on the rest of the furniture in the shop. So we'll go ahead and get this knocked out. We're almost finished.
Alright, we just got one more step and we will be done. All we got to do now is bolt our drill press down to our new drill press bench. We've got some 2.5 inch bolts here. They're 3/8 inch thread. We've got our holes drilled already. So we will put a flat washer on top. And also a flat washer on the bottom. Well, our new drill press has a home on our new drill press bench, and eventually I will put some drawers in this just like I plan on doing with the rest of the furniture in here too.
We're very excited to have this set up. Like you saw, we put casters on this so we can move it anywhere around in the shop that we need to. If you found value in this video, give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more projects like this, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks again for joining us today. Happy woodworking!